Welcome to another tutorial of BWL Knowledgebase Manager WordPress plugin, and in this tutorial we will learn how to create a nice accordion style using the BWL Knowledgebase Manager. This is the final output of the accordion layout. If we click on that, this layout opened, and if we click it again closed. You can also submit the vote from here. Now if we want to create that kind of similar layout, go to pages and then click on add page. Let's give it a title, and now from the block editor we need to select the classic block. Click on the add block and search for the classic, and here you will find the shortcut editor for Knowledgebase Manager WordPress plugin. Click on that, and from the editor click on the display category items, and from here you will be able to select the categories from here. I would like to select affiliate, copyright and fixing issues from the list, and the most important thing is the list's style type. Select accordion from here. You can select the list view from here, but it's optional. If you want to show the post count, select yes. If you want to show the category or taxonomy description, select yes. You can sort them based on their ID, title or custom order. For this example, I would like to show them by title, and the order type should be ascending. Now if I click on the add shortcode, it's gonna create a shortcode for me. Finally click on the save button, and now your shortcode is ready. If you click on the save button, the page will be saved, and click on this view pages will take you to the front end. From here we can see the output. It's a 2-column layout, but we can change it to 1 column. Click on the edit and then write calls to 1. Save it, refresh. Now it's 1 column. For more shortcode, you can visit to the documentation and click on the plugin shortcodes. Here is a full list of shortcode. You will find from here how you can easily change the layout. It's a detailed documentation. This will gonna help you to create your knowledge based layout according to your requirement. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.